know that though, that should be on YouTube. See where's arm right up there. Oh, shoulder bumps, fucking hell. He's going too far. I went round there. Look at it coming up the deck, isn't it? Yeah. Don't spin it too much. Go on. Don't spin it. Oh! Right, keep it there, Mark. Do you see when he runs spin there and he's gripping all the time?